In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts to Xero. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant managing multiple clients, organizing your financial records is crucial, and Xero makes it a seamless process. By uploading receipts directly into Xero, you can effortlessly keep track of your expenses and streamline your accounting tasks. First things first, let's navigate to the Xero website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Xero URL. Once you're at the home page, log into your account using your existing credentials. If you're new to Xero, you'll need an account to get started, but for this tutorial, I'm assuming you already have everything set up. Now that you've logged into your Xero dashboard, the next step is to find the Files section. This area is specifically designed for document management, making it the perfect place to organize and store your business receipts. Look for the Files icon, which is usually found in the menu. Click on it to open up the file management interface. Once you're in the Files section, you will notice an Upload button. This is your gateway to uploading all those important receipt files. Find the button labeled Upload, which is generally prominent and easy to locate. Clicking it will prompt a dialog box where you can browse your device's storage for the receipts you wish to upload. Alternatively, there is another option you may want to explore, especially if you're managing a large volume of receipts through email. In the Files section, you can expand the menu options by clicking on the three dots. This action reveals a secondary menu, which includes an option to reset your Xero email address. This is particularly useful if you prefer to forward receipts directly from your email inbox to your Xero account. Resetting the email address can ensure that all your documents are sent to the right place, making your life a little simpler. Once you're ready to upload your receipts manually, the process is straightforward. In the File dialog box that opened earlier, navigate through your folders to locate the receipt file or files you intend to upload. They can be in a variety of formats, such as PDFs or images, so feel free to select the ones most convenient for you. After selecting your files, confirm the upload process. You'll see progress notifications, and soon your receipts will be successfully uploaded to your Xero account. Organize them as needed, linking each receipt to the appropriate transaction entry or simply keeping them as a backup for future reference. And there you have it, an easy way to manage your receipts in Xero. It saves you time and helps maintain the accuracy of your financial records. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to stay on top of your business accounting.